There's Joe on a sleigh ride, flying away, fighting his first striper on a kayak. Look, that he was right next to me. That's how far the striper is taking him. Get him, Joe! Yeah! Get your fish grips out! Grab him by the mouth, attach him to your kayak, and then paddle back to your buoy. Oh, this is fucking awesome. Oh, he's coming back up river, up current. Turn him right back around. Yeah, have him bring you right back to your buoy. There you go. Ha ha ha! Yeah, look at that bent rod. Grab the leader with your hand. That's awesome. Got him?
Got him.
Yeah, Joe. Woo! Oh, that looks like a big boy. Joe, just strap him to your kayak and paddle back with him in your kayak. Or on the side, I mean.
I don't want it to die.
No, I mean, all right, then let it go. How big is it?
I don't know.
Hold it up and look at me. Or there you go. No, you're good. You're going to revive it.